The high-profile extortion case involving controversial Mpumalanga taxi boss Joe Ferrari Sibanyoni is set to return to court this week, with tensions continuing to mount around a matter that has already exposed sharp divisions within the criminal justice system. Sibanyoni and his three co-accused are expected to appear before the Delmas Magistrates Court on Thursday after the case was transferred following growing concerns over the sensitivity of the proceedings and the escalating controversy surrounding earlier court developments. The accused are facing serious allegations of extortion after they were accused of demanding more than 2 million rand in so-called protection fees from a local mining entrepreneur. The matter has drawn widespread public attention amid claims of intimidation, organized criminal activity, and the alleged influence of taxi industry figures in parts of Mpumalanga. The case took a dramatic turn earlier this month when Chief Magistrate Thulethu Donjeni struck the matter off the court roll after State Prosecutor Mkhuseli Ntaba failed to appear in court on May 18. In an extraordinary development, Donjeni not only removed the case from the roll, but also convicted Ntaba of contempt of court and issued a warrant for his arrest. Decisions that sparked immediate outrage from the National Prosecuting Authority. The prosecuting authority has since launched a legal challenge against the magistrate's ruling, accusing Donjeni of misapplying the law and overstepping judicial boundaries. The NPA spokesperson, Kaysa Kganyago, confirmed that the authority had lodged a formal complaint against the magistrate with the Magistrates Commission, citing what it described as serious concerns over the handling of proceeding on May 15 and May 18, and said the formal complaint is premised on serious concerns that the NPA has in the manner in which she conducted the court proceedings on May 15 and 18, 2026 that culminated in two orders that she granted. The controversial rulings included the contempt conviction against Ntaba, the issuing of an arrest warrant, and the decision to strike the matter from the court roll in terms of Section 34(2)(a) of the Criminal Procedure Act, a section aimed at preventing unreasonable delays in criminal proceedings. The NPA has already filed a notice of intention to appeal both the contempt finding and the arrest warrant, arguing that the decisions carry serious implications for the administration of justice and could set a dangerous legal precedent if left unchallenged. Legal analysts say the dispute has further intensified scrutiny on the handling of the high-profile criminal matters involving powerful figures linked to the taxi industry, which has long been associated with allegations of violence, extortion, and intimidation in several provinces. The case against Sibanyoni has come one of the most closely watched criminal proceedings in Mpumalanga due to the nature of the allegations and the influence the accused allegedly wield within the taxi sector. Despite his ongoing legal troubles, Sibanyoni recently secured re-election as second deputy president of South African National Taxi Council, SANTACO, a move that has generated mixed reactions within the transport industry and among political observers. Some within the taxi industry have rallied behind Sibanyoni, maintaining that he remains innocent until proven guilty, while critics argue that his re-election sends the wrong message at a time when serious allegations of criminality continue to cloud parts of the taxi sector. As the matter returns to court, attention is expected to focus not only the extortion allegations themselves, but also on the growing legal battle between the NPA and the magistrate over how the case has been handled. The outcome of Thursday's proceedings could prove crucial in determining whether prosecutors succeed in reviving the criminal case and restoring momentum to a matter that has already become mired in legal drama, controversy, and institutional tension. Meanwhile, the National Prosecuting Authority confirmed that Prosecutor Mkhuseli Ntaba handling the extortion and money laundering case against Mpumalanga taxi boss, received death threats warning he would be eliminated if he attended court. Daba turned back while enrolled to Kwaggafontein Magistrates Court on May 18, 2026. However, Chief Magistrate Duledi Tonjeni had already refused his request for an adjournment and subsequently struck the case off the roll, issuing a warrant for Daba's arrest for contempt. The NPA has suspended Daba pending an investigation but says the suspension will be lifted if the threats are verified. A formal complaint has been filed against Magistrate Tonjeni. It was also reported that a member of parliament tried to persuade the complainant to drop the 2.2 million rand extortion case against Joe Ferrari Sibanyoni. A well-known South African member of parliament allegedly contacted the complainant in a 2.2 million rand extortion case against Joe Ferrari and 3 co-accused, urging him to drop the charges in exchange for a handsome reward. The call reportedly happened on Tuesday evening last week.
Is still not present in court. The court has heard the applications by the Defense Counsel, the first one being that Mr. Ndaba be found guilty of contempt of court. For the reasons that have been placed before the court by counsel, which reasons actually express my own finding. The conduct of Mr. Ndaba has left my mind boggled.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.